Last topic is outcome measure selection. Why we need relevant, why we need specific, why we need the best measurement outcome. Because sometimes no people or population or individual is not the same. When we compare to deal with occupation, it's not the same. Your occupation, you don't like to swim. Some people don't like to play football, like Sorasak said. Select outcome measurement. If I take Sorasak to practice, and after that I can measure about the football outcome, football efficacy, performance of football playing. Sorasak, I don't have passion. Didn't do before. But compared to Apicia, I shoot her about swimming. She might be know about that her occupational performance as well. And this is willing to happy for measure about the capacity, efficacy, about outcome of swimming, because she want to get about the gold medal one day, presumably. Select the outcome, measure area in occupational therapy process. Use the outcome measure to measure progress, adjust the goal. Intervention by comparing progress toward the goal achievement with outcome throughout the intervention process or intervention program. Assessing outcome use and result to make decision about the future direction of intervention. Okay, the property of the outcome measure. The first is valid, rely, sensitivity or not. Think about this keyword: validity, reliability, and sensitivity or responsiveness to change the client occupational performance on consistent with target outcome, congruent with goal or not. Set the goal already. Give something for the client intervention, but measure or not is not aligned with. Presumably, you do just only footy. After that, you measure by use ADL or you use Barthel index to measure, but it's not connection or connectedness or linked together, not congruent with the client goal. You practice for sweating days, you can have a real Barthel index for measure about the film fam about dressing, or maybe some measurement specific, able to predict future outcome. Outcome assessment tool in OT. Sometimes we got standardization in psychometric property. Okay, clinical useness in term clinic is useless, not useless, usefulness. Okay, usefulness is better. Sometimes it have a lot of complex, but in terms of practical way, no. Okay, how to predict, how to use in terms of clinics or clinical. Okay, suitable for target and clinical setting, suitable for target and clinical setting. My setting is very small, OT, under the stairway of some hospital, very small size, around maybe 20 square meters or maybe 10 or maybe 5 square meters. But you order many tools, many measurements, a lot. Use everything electronic, but it's not fit with your clinical setting. Okay, communicable is very important for the client. Standardized tests or standardization, clear instruction. This is why you need to study and train COPM, train AM, train some outcome measurement, even though about the new outcome measurement of me, that is TOOM or OSTOM from Australia. For it is outcome measurement is top-down measurement as well, or OBPA, if you know, occupation-based practice assessment, clear instruction, material of the outcome measurement, evaluation method, scoring system, and interpretation. You need to be clear. Why do you need to turn to practice and train? Protect about you are gonna go wrong way. Manual, version 1, version 2, sometimes outcome measuring is version 10, version 10.2. I don't know. Need to read and follow with the manual. Sometimes need about research or property metrics or psychometric property. Think about research before. What is the psychometric property? Some psychometric property is just only Likert scale is around the level. Think about this term as well. Sometimes it's changed about the scale. Okay, clinical usefulness is very important. The first is clarity. Clarity. Some people call clarity or clarity is the same. Word A is clarity. Format, need about some format, lead to be make a good document. Time and administration, you need time and administration. Some clinical, some assessment, some measuring outcome needs money, needs spend time, needs use something, got a cost. Okay, got caught. Don't use every time, all the time, every day. Sometimes you need to waiting until the protocol of treatment finish. After that, you use measurement outcome. Cost, because you need to make a cost, คิดเงิน okay? Training, like you said before, Sarasa and Apishaya, need training before you're gonna use. And cultural bias. I still remember that I call food. That is the measuring outcome from Dr. Pisak. What we call, he modified from Kenneth Fong from Hong Kong. In the 10 years, around maybe 5 years ago, still have chopstick to practice. That is the dexterity or some baba. But now, at that time, it's cultural bias. But now in Thailand, it's the common already. Common use of the chopstick to hold the something, use very common, right? But if we use this to measure outcome of upper extremity or upper limb in European country, in France, in Sweden, cultural bias, they didn't use every common of cultural in terms of chopstick, right? If you use with Taiwanese, Chinese, and Japanese, it's okay. Client, Japanese client, Chinese client, Thai people, okay. Communicable, need to be easy to interpret. You need to easy to interpret for the client as well. But in term make in the research, okay, you can use about scientific or academics, interpret or interpretation. Easy to interpret, not take a long time, have many scale, around maybe 3 months until to interpret finish. No, everyone need quickly, but not just quickly for take something change, but in terms of make sure that interpret is very easy way and clear direction. Alternative interpretation, okay, sometimes need to be alternative interpretation. Some communicable, it look like EKG, it look like a graph. We need some expert. Even though to me, I cannot read that graph. We need to invite expert to read and after that translate what's going on, right? Because you pass from training already. And no jargon. When we give to the client, no jargon. What is mean jargon? Sorry.
Like the language with I don't know, but in insurance maybe where like that.
Yes, know about some awkward of the language to make some people not clear, because some client like or we don't know the outcome is the good or not, but you need to be go along until it's better. But when and what, right? If your dad and your mom to do something, we need about effective, right? We need about some the language is clear. If we use some technical term, think about technical term is one of the jargon as well. Sometimes we think it look like we use what we call the term or the vocab just only specific group. Your group in each teenage, it might be tem Carabel. To me, this is jargon. I don't know what is the meaning. This is jargon. No jargon in terms of communicable with about the outcome. Oh, this measurement show is tem Carabel. We don't know what it means. Some people don't know in terms of about clear direction. Okay, about this clear interpretation. Occupational therapists need to think about challenge. If we do occupation, because we give not just only easy everything, we need to lure the performance of the client occupational to be better, to interact with occupational form and to be boost their occupational performance. Assess instrument, okay? And other factor, think about this as well. Challenge. We know or not, we learn already, we train already. Assessment tool is correct in the right way. Our hospital assigned me to train about this measuring outcome from the US. This is why I can use. Think about in terms of the factor. Another factor we need to link in terms of this outcome measurement in the speed array. Is effect to PT speed or not in terms of holistic approach in the future. Okay, occupational therapists lack of knowledge, skill. Sometimes it happen with problem. It's error with the outcome measurement. Lack of knowledge. I can read and I can do. I learn already from online. But I think it's better for me. Sometimes it's online. It's not just everything. Some practice need about not online, need to be like, you need to like touch, right? Need to be know about where is the muscle. I do already with pillar, mon. It's not the same. Okay, we learn like this online is okay. Help me as well. But some outcome measurement need training in the real lab, real training, maybe by expert. I don't know, you learn from who in online, I don't know. Qualification or not, just only academy. In online, you can set everything, right? I don't know about this, okay? Lack of knowledge and skill, solution, attitude and value. This is very important. If we think that the attitude, okay, to me, I don't like to use about cognitive level. I try to use about the what we call about another cognition to measure later than about cognitive level from Lowenstein. Is it you likely to be biased? Attitude of this you try to use to another. Think about the attitude and value as well. Okay. Other factor is time restraint, time constraint, solution, budget is one and another factor because some outcome measurements they need money, you need to buy it. Sometimes it's expensive, okay? Maybe import from abroad, got tax, pay, take time as well. Just only one organization of you. With your organization, you stay at the what we call local hospital in or Roposoto, but you need to import some measurement outcome from board. Just this outcome measurement is 100,000 baht. Is appropriate with the client or not? Is too much money or not? Okay, think about this as well. Okay, the resources is you need to know about textbook, learn about from journal. They do like use this measurement outcome in South Korea, in Canada, in the US, Japan, in Thailand, or in Southeast Asia or not. Internet is the resources. For example, measurement outcome or outcome assessment, ADL, we can use FIMFRAM, that is the measurement outcome, to measure about the what we call about the ADL. We can use FIMFRAM, we can use Barthel index, right? We can use Sirinton ADL measurement outcome. Okay, IADL, we can use Lawton instrumental activity of daily living. We can use kitchen task assessment. We can use assessment of motor and process skill. But in the last outcome assessment or outcome measurement, you need to train first and copyright. Okay. In play, when think about play performance, you need to use about test of playfulness or top version 4. Now, if they got version 5, is a better, is specific. You need to train more. Not just only you read by your ebook or you have a right to use or not. They can verify you pass version 4, you can go to version 5 or not. Think about the academy. Write or revise Knox Preschool Pay Scale or PPSR. Participation, think you can use children assessment or participation and enjoyment or CAPE or KEPE. Press handicap assessment and reporting technique. This is for you handicap assessment. Just only example. We still have many outcome measurement around. Okay.
Hope you guys enjoy the teaching program and see you the next chapter.